Hello, welcome back to Life University. Again, today we are going to have a look how to handle missing data and messy data. So if you think about data sets that you got will be always perfect and super organized, you're wrong. In the real world, data sets are messy. Most of the time, data analysts spend 80% of their time trying to clean the data, trying to perfect the data, instead of trying to find the perfect machine learning models. So data cleaning, it's a big thing. It's very important. There are missing values, duplicates, typos, or errors. Because why? Because data comes from people, comes from any sources. Data came from everywhere. If you have ever tried to use Excel to record polls or survey from people, you will know. So there is no such things as a perfect data set. Let's have a look at some examples. And here we've got a data set that urgently need to be cleaned. For example, here we've got, in this column, we have to record the total spend of the cafe. As we can see, our numbers. And all of a sudden there's like an errors here, and then also there's the payment method. It's like unknown, or like it's empty and unknown. Huge chunks of empty cells here, and the computer couldn't understand how to handle this. And here's another example. For example, like this. For example, the company name is supposed to be the name, but now we have numbers here, 4.2, 3.8, and maybe some of the missing information, like missing columns that we need, that is not there. And here is another example of a messy data set. As you can see, there's a huge chunk of empty cell here, which I don't know why, and we couldn't do anything about it. And here as well, the money, the numbers for how much, is that the zero, or is that the empty cell? Is that no? Or, so we don't know. So we've got the zero here, and then there's the empty cell, so we need to clean it up. And here as well. And look at this, like the capital letters is not there, and a lot of empty spaces there. And we can organize the data sets better, I'm sure. So this is why data cleaning is very important. There are many ways to do it with code, or you can simply just ask Livedocs to do it. Just upload your data sets here and then ask it to clean it up. Clean my data sets, please. And you will get your clean data sets. So that's how you do it, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.